Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing on the app. Firstly, ensure you meet eligibility criteria. You must be at least 18 years old, your Facebook account should be older than 30 days, and you should be living in a country where Facebook dating is supported. 2. Check the Facebook app menu. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Select See More, and if you don't still see dating, click the gear icon, scroll to Preferences, then Navigation bar. Select Customize the bar and locate dating and pin it to your shortcuts. 3. Enable location permissions. Open the Facebook app and go to Settings, Your Activity. Tap Device Permissions and ensure location permission is enabled. 4. Restart Facebook. Just close and or reopen the Facebook app. And finally, you can also try to update the Facebook app. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.